think the best way to think about using whole body vibration and power plate is as the upgrade. So you can essentially enhance any facet of performance training using the vibration primarily due to increased neuromuscular activation. So whether that's be to prepare faster, to enhance any aspect of the strength and conditioning program, and of course recovery. So I think the upgrade word is a really effective way of describing exactly what power plate can do to enhance performance. So I think injury prevention is a broad topic, and the ability of vibration to stimulate the nervous system and then to be able to put the body in specific positions where you can then use the enhanced ground reaction force to build tissue tolerance, resiliency in the myofascial system is really important for injury prevention. Injury recovery as well, in the sense that it's all about movement. So vibration is movement, so you're able to put movement back into the body very, very quickly. And of course, the context of recovery is any environment that will increase blood flow, circulation, lymphatic flow is always going to enhance the body's ability to recover and regenerate. We need to have a harmonic, rhythmical oscillation, which is predictable, it's safe, and it is very accommodating for the nervous system. When you change to high, you are essentially doubling the depth at which the machine will drop away and come back up. So now you have 30 Hertz high. Same speed, more force. And that's the best way to think about the manipulation of amplitude. So the other key component with power plate as well is that the direction of the vibration is threefold. So 80% of the vibration is vertical. So essentially what happens is the machine drops away from you. So for a moment the floor just disappears, then it comes back up and contacts the body. So 80% of the vibration is vertical. That's what we describe as replicating ground contact. So if you think of when the foot hits the ground, the ground pushes back, the tissues of the body have to dampen and absorb ground reaction forces. So the vibration is replicating very small but very rapid contacts of the ground. So if you then change the amplitude, you are increasing ground reaction force. And that is one of the key benefits of using vibration, is that you create this multi-directional stimulus for the body. So one component is application of force. The other component is creating instability. Think about whole body vibration and power plate, it has such a broad spectrum of application for all population groups. So when you talk about health and wellness, it all comes back to movement. So vibration is movement at its simplest form. So if you're looking at individuals maybe with obesity, neurological conditions, looking at managing chronic pain, the ability to create an environment that is both safe but also highly effective, so to activate the nervous system, to increase muscle stimulation, so again for blood flow, for an authentic stimulus for the body, then whole body vibration becomes again a very powerful tool for various health conditions.